Yo, what up guys, it's Colin here from CH Gadgets. So, if you're into fitness and a healthy lifestyle, then you're probably no stranger to Zeblaze, since they make a couple smartwatches and fitness trackers. But now they have earbuds. And we're gonna check it out in this video. By the way, if this is your first time here and you love tech and gadgets just like I do, and you want to see all the cool new tech that I get to test and play with every week, then start now by clicking the subscribe button and tapping that bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos when they drop. So Zeblaze figured if they were going to be tracking your heart rate while you work out, then they might as well be pumping some tune into your ear. This is the reason why we have the Zeblaze Zepods. We're going to check it out and see if it's worth your time or your money. So let's get techie. Here's what they managed to pack inside. You got Bluetooth 5.0, you got IPX5 waterproof, so yeah, you can take it to the gym. You got 4 hours of playtime, plus 18 hours in the charger. Plus, you can also fast charge just in case you forget in your last sesh to charge it up. Price on this one is about $43.63, which is about 44 bucks. So, let's crack inside, see what Zeblaze has to offer in the Z-Pod. By the way, shout out to my new unboxing knife, the Gearhead. Let's get it. All right, that's a presentation. And this is the little puck that housed that. How's those buds? USB Type-C, regular A. You got some ear tips. All right, so, and you flip it around, and there you go. You reveal the earbuds. So those are the earbuds. All right, and they're really small. Looks like, and it's already in pairing mode once you take it out. Pair them up. Z-Pod. There you go. It's connected. Yeah, I already know that I'm gonna have to change these tips because they're really small. Battery's 90%. All right, so back to the audio test. I popped them in real quick. I was trying to do an audio test, but I figured out that the little tiny ones that they had on there, it just wasn't my size. So I had to switch them out for the mediums. Right there, and they fit much better. So let's get back to the audio test. I'm gonna play some of my favorite test songs, and let me see how it works out. By the way, if I didn't mention, these are clicky controls. You pause and you play, pause. All right, back to testing. Credit cards and scan. All right, so I did a couple of tests. I think I kind of have a good understanding of what these are capable of and who are they for. So basically, let's jump straight into the sound, audio quality, and delivery first. As far as audio delivery, it sounds good. It sounds really good. Also, what I do notice is what you're not going to get out of it is a really nice sound stage. But it does sound good. If you're listening to hip hop, R&B, EDM, maybe some rock, it will definitely keep you in the zone when you're working out. And what I really like about it more than anything else is it feels really comfortable. You put it in your ears and it just sits in there really comfortable. And it's not falling out either. I did a couple shake tests and it didn't fall out, which is really good. I kind of like that. As far as audio delivery, audio and sound quality, it can't get really, the volume doesn't get really loud, but it gets loud enough to where it keeps you in the zone. if you understand what I'm saying. So it does a good job in that respect. I mean, it's not the greatest, but for what it is and for what it's worth, 43 bucks and this nice little puck, you know, taking it to the gym, wherever, you know, you buy this for 43 bucks. I think it can definitely deliver what you want, which is you need a little workout companion for your smartwatch, if that's what you're into. If you're looking for like something with some nice audio delivery, some clean and smooth resolution, and a really nice wide sound stage, this is not that. But if you're looking for something that can actually deliver, you know, pump some energies into your workout routine, then I say the Zepod can do it. The case is really nice. It fits in the palm of my hands, as you can see right there. Got those indicator lights that you know. What can I say? It is good for what it's worth. It's not great, but if you're thinking about buying it, I would say it's okay to buy it. All right, I guess that's my conclusion on the Zeblaze Zepod. I definitely like it. I like the case. I like how it fits in my hair. I like the sound that it's delivering, and I definitely just like the whole package itself, which is really good. Do you have better out there? Probably. But if you're looking at this one, it's alright. It's okay in my book. And I definitely think it's a buy. All right, so check this out. If you want one for yourself, you can check the link down in the description. It's your boy CH. Make sure you come back for a new video tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Peace.